And gun violence is now a public health crisis all across America. That's according to the U.S. Surgeon General today, as children in the U.S. find themselves being shot more than any other country on earth. This all comes on the heels of what police today are calling a shooter's killing spree in North Las Vegas, Nevada. A 57-year-old gunman is accused of killing 5 people and injuring a teenage girl in a shooting rampage. And News 15's Rebecca Castor lays out what the nation's top doctor plans to do to bring down gun deaths.
Following mass shootings in Arkansas, Alabama, and Ohio over the weekend, America's top doctor says it's time for the U.S. to take a different approach in preventing gun violence.
Today, for the first time in the history of our office, I am issuing a Surgeon General's advisory on firearm violence.
Those advisories have been used to warn of the risks of cigarettes, motor vehicles, and most recently, social media. But with the number of deaths and injuries from guns increasing exponentially, Surgeon General Vivek Murthy says this issue also deserves to be treated as a public health crisis.
Our children should not have to live in fear that they are going to get shot if they go to school. None of us should have to worry that going to the mall or a concert or a house of worship means putting our lives at risk.
Murthy's recommendations to drive down gun deaths include banning assault weapons, requiring universal background checks, and passing laws that would restrict their use in public spaces and penalize people who fail to safely store their weapons. All actions that would require legislation from Congress.
It does not have to be this way. We cannot ever normalize this. We need the people in the United States Congress to have the courage to stand up to the gun lobbyists.
This advisory from Surgeon General Murthy is sure to be controversial on Capitol Hill. Before he was confirmed to the office, he told reluctant Republicans he would not use his position to push gun control. This is a clear about face. In Washington, Rebecca Castor, News 15.